If you're a Lansweeper shop looking to add service desk capabilities, look no further. With InvGate Service Desk, we make this quick and easy. Let me show you how. Hi, Matt Barron, Product Specialist at InvGate. With InvGate Service Desk, you can quickly and easily integrate our Service Desk tool to Lansweeper in order to add some operational efficiency to your service operations, as well as the common records of incident, problem, change, and wherever else you need to associate your assets. Before we get started, you can always grab a trial instance of our software at try.invgate.com and follow along. And you'll find a link in the description. To get started, we're going to log in to InvGate Service Desk as an administrator and go to Settings, Integrations, and then make sure we're on the Asset Management section. Now, to add your Lansweeper integration, you're going to click on Add here to initiate the integration process. Once there, you're going to select Lansweeper as the integration point, and you're going to give it a name. Now, below that, you'll select the categories where you want configuration items associated to it. So in this case, I'm just going to say all because it's great to have a CI or an asset associated with any of those records. And I'm going to click the ability for end users to also link configuration items and search for configuration items. That way, end users can select their own devices if they want to relate a ticket or an asset to a ticket in the self-service view. Next, we're going to need to log in as an administrator in Lansweeper to collect some of this information: the site ID, the application or client ID, as well as the client's secret. And to get started and make this easy, I'm going to copy this URL right away because I know that I'm going to have to paste this in to Lansweeper. So next we'll get the site ID, and then we'll create an application and grab the client's secret. So in Lansweeper, to get the site ID, I'm going to go to Configuration, Site Settings, and just grab this site ID by clicking Copy here. And I'll paste that into InvGate Service Desk. Next, I'm going to create a custom application. So for this, I need to go to Settings, Developer Tools, and All Applications. From here, I need to add a new application and select Cloud Application. Here, I need to give it a name, so I'm going to say InvGate Service Desk. And I'm going to paste in that URL that I grabbed earlier. Now, in the integration field, I'm going to select or search for InvGate, and it's going to pull up Service Desk. And I'm going to leave these last bits blank and just click on Add Application. Now, what happened is I immediately got a download of the text configuration file, which gives me the client ID or application ID, as well as the client secret. So these two things I'm going to now paste into InvGate Service Desk so that I've got them in there already. And now paste in the client secret. Excellent. Lastly, I need to request application access, so I click on this button to request access. It's going to pop a new window and ask me to allow access to the application. I need to make sure that I'm selecting the right one and then hit allow. And now it's approved. Now, my last steps are that I can test this configuration and save it, and I will have it completely set up. With the configuration complete, I can now go to My Work, and I'm just going to quick associate an asset with one of my tickets. Here I've got a computer that's having a problem. It looks like we might need to check it out for some viruses. And I can go over here to the CIs and associate D003 to this ticket. I can link this ticket to that asset specifically, and I can see Lansweeper details within the ticket itself. So I can see that the antivirus is actually turned off, which obviously is a problem. I can also see hardware details right here, as well as network details. And if I want to go to the asset directly, I can click on this View in Lansweeper link, which takes me right there. And now I can see all the details of the asset within Lansweeper. And this is just one aspect of InvGate Service Desk that's designed to make the work of IT teams easy, accessible, and integrated into their existing technology stack. For more on this topic, subscribe to our YouTube channel or discover our solutions by signing up for a trial at try.invgate.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again soon.